Excuse me. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sidney, and if you're new, then welcome. So you guys, I'm back today with another video, and I'm super excited about this video, you guys. If you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be reviewing and unboxing Armon skincare fall collection. If you don't already know, then I am a brand ambassador for Armon skincare. I absolutely love her products. She has great products. She sent me her fall collection, and I'm super excited about it because I absolutely love the fall. Okay, fall is here. Even though the weather is still kind of like spicy outside, we're in the fall, so I'm super excited about that. And I just wanted to bring you guys my real and raw first impressions of her collection. I'm super excited about it. I have no doubt in my mind that I'm gonna love everything because I always do, because her products are just that good. Okay, if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell on so you'll be notified every time that I post. Let's just get into the video. It did come with a caution tape thingy around it, and this video won't be long at all because, like I said, I'm just unboxing and, you know, giving you guys my first impressions. Flap right here, and that's how you open the box. It's like a little envelope type thing. So cute, right? It's like, oh my goodness, like it's giving the girls spooky season. Okay, it's giving. First thing I see is this thank you card. You can't see it because of my ring light, but I'll read it to you. It says, happy fall, hope you enjoy these products. I included some treats for your fur babies. Thank you for all you do for us. Love, Armon skincare. So cute. When I first saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, like, wow, she really did that with this. She honestly did things. She did that. Okay, so the first thing I'll show you guys out of my box is these oven baked dog biscuits, and that's what she meant when she said she has some treats for my fur baby because of Penny. If y'all don't know, then I have a puppy, so she got the treats for her. And it's pumpkin and spice flavored latte biscuits. I hope she likes them. I'm gonna try to give her one right now. Next thing I'm gonna take out of my box is this little baggie. It's black and it has something in it, but I don't know what, so I'm excited about that because I like surprises. Okay, it's a lip balm. If you know me, then you know I love, I have to have something on my lips at all time. Like, lips must stay moisturized, okay, especially during the fall / winter. Oh, it smells just like freaking caramel. Oh my god. Oh Jesus, that's nice, and it's very I love the texture. Next I have this caramel lip scrub, and it's 2 ounces, and I don't really have to say much about it because this is a lip scrub. You know, everyone knows how to use a lip scrub, but it's the caramel for me. Okay, like, oh, but it looks like it's super cute. It has like a caramel nudie tone to it. Like, it has this seal on it, but I can already smell it like through the seal, and it's like, ugh. I cannot wait to use this, y'all. Like, I don't even know what's inside of here, but the packaging is like, it's cute. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, look at it. It's a skeleton. How freaking cute. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. I have been needing one of these for so long. Like, and if you didn't know, I didn't know what was going to be in this package. It was totally a surprise, so that's why, as you can see, I'm so happy. This is my first real impression of it. It's gold and it's so pretty. It has an on and off switch, and when you turn it on, let's see what happens. Oh my god, it vibrates, y'all. Cannot wait to use this. Oh my god, oh my god. It also came in this little baggie, so you know, keep it protected when you're not using it. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I got this. I cannot wait to freaking use it. We put little skeleton man back in his box because I'm saving it because it is so freaking cute. Okay, so next out of the box is this Beware Zombie box. There's 2 of these like this, and it's pretty heavy. Once again, I don't know what's inside, so I'm just gonna open it and show you. In the first little box is this apple cinnamon body scrub. It looks like this. I've been needing like a body scrub lately, and oh my gosh, like, look at the consistency of it. I love that. This smell, oh my gosh, like it's like the perfect blend of apple and cinnamon together. It's like giving me fall. Like it's giving fall vibes. Like we are here. Thanksgiving is here. Like, so in this one, it is the pumpkin gingerbread body scrub. And y'all, like, I'm already excited. I haven't even opened it yet, but I'm excited because it says gingerbread. This is more so of a pumpkin color, not gingerbread, but that's fine. I'm gonna open it now. I'm super excited. It is another body scrub, so I have 2 body scrubs, okay, and the size is 8 ounces, so I think it's a really big container, and it'll last you a long time, so that's great. It smells so good. Again, it smells just like fall. Like, it's giving me fall vibes. Like, it's like pumpkin and gingerbread, like literally. Oh, it's crazy. I actually hate pumpkin. Like, I'm not too crazy about the pumpkin spice scent. A strong one, you know, like I can deal with it if it's very subtle, but if it's strong, I don't like it at all. And this is not strong at all, so I'm super excited about this. Yeah, you guys, that is all for this video. I really enjoyed making it. Once again, thank you Armon Skincare for this lovely PR box. Thank you for allowing me on your team. If you're interested in trying any of the products that I showed, I do have a discount code for you guys, and it is SID15 to get some money off when you purchase, okay? And something you should know, all of her products are affordable. Nothing is super expensive. You actually get more than what you pay for because her product quality is that good. Like, and she has a wide range of products, so it's not just body scrubs, it's not just lip balm, it's moisturizers, oil cleansers, lotions, serums, everything you could think of, from beauty to skincare. And I think you all should try her out. I will have her site linked down below, and if you want to purchase anything, you can get money off when you use my code SID15. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, share with your family. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Curls by Sid and on Twitter at Life of Sidney. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.